Hey everyone, welcome back to our data structure tutorial series. In last video, we have covered several applications of array data structures. Today, we are tackling a super exciting topic that is top 10 array manipulation techniques. Guys, what do you think? Arrays are just storing a data? No. In array data structures, what really powerful is how to manipulate that data efficiently for the best business use cases. Believe me, it is going to be a super exciting topic today. Whether you are a beginner looking to learn data structures or an experienced developer looking to crack your DSA interview, then stick around. At the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of array manipulation technique for different business use cases. Let's dive right into it. First thing first, what really array manipulation technique is? Well, array manipulations refer to the process of changing, modifying, or transforming the elements within an array. Array are the basic data structure that stores collections of data. And array manipulations involve common tasks like adding or removing elements, sorting, searching, or altering value within an array. These techniques allow you to organize and work with data efficiently. Whether you are working on reversing an array, filtering out a certain values, or updating specific elements, array manipulations provide a powerful set of tools to handle array data structure efficiently in programming. It's a widely used in solving real world problems like processing and algorithm implementations. Why array manipulations is so important? Well, array manipulation is crucial because it allows us to efficiently organize, access and modify data. Guys, I will prefer JavaScript as a programming language to implement algorithm in our data structure tutorials. No matter which programming language you prefer, important things is concept of DSA. Behind the scene, every language uses exactly same concepts. Now, let's start our top 10 array manipulation techniques. Number 1, basic array operations. The basic array operations are the fundamental techniques used to work with data stored in arrays. There are 6 basic operations, mainly adding and removing element from an array. Adding elements. Adding new element at the beginning of an array. Adding new element at end of an array. Adding elements at a specific position of an array. Removing elements. Removing element from the starting of an array. Removing element from the end of an array. Removing element from a specific position of an array. These operations form a building block for working with array efficiently in many programming languages. Number 2, accessing and modifying elements. Accessing elements. Accessing element by index like array within big bracket index value. Modifying elements. Changing element values like array within big bracket index value is equal to new value. Number 3, array searching. There is two mainly array searching techniques. Number 1, linear search and number 2, binary search. The binary search is applicable in sorted arrays only. Number 4, filtering arrays. Filtering arrays means filtering element based on some conditions or removing duplicates based on your custom logics. Number 5, Sorting arrays. Basic sorting. Sorting numbers are strings. Sorting with custom comparator functions. Advanced sorting algorithms like bubble sorts, quick sorts, and merge sorts. Number 6. Array transformation methods. Mapping arrays. Transforming array using map. Reducing arrays. Using reduce method to accumulate values like summing elements. Flattening arrays. Flattening multi-dimensional arrays using flat methods. Number 7. Splitting and joining arrays. Splitting arrays. Dividing arrays into chunk or sub-arrays using slice or custom loops. Joining arrays. Combining arrays into a single arrays using concat or spread operators. Number 8. Reversing and rotating arrays. Reversing arrays. Reversing the order of elements using reverse method. Rotating arrays. Rotating arrays to left to right using loops or slice methods. Number 9. Multidimensional array manipulations. Multidimensional arrays. The multidimensional arrays are an extension of regular one-dimensional arrays where data is organized in more than one dimension. Let's take an example of 3D array. Array within big bracket, index value of row, comma, index value of column, comma, index value of 3 dimension. Flattening multidimensional arrays. Using recursive logic or flat method, we can flatten multidimensional arrays. Number 10. Memory considerations in array manipulations. When working with arrays, especially large or multidimensional arrays, memory considerations play a crucial role, ensuring that programs run efficiently. Mismanaging memory using array manipulations can lead to performance bottlenecks, memory wastage, or even system crashes. That's it guys. In further videos, we will discuss in-depth analysis of all these array manipulation techniques, one by one with practical implementation using Visual Studio Code. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button and notification bell so that you won't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Till then, happy coding.